In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Breeze AI in HubSpot to quickly ask questions, review instant insights, and update CRM properties without leaving your current view. If you want a faster way to work inside HubSpot, Breeze AI can help streamline simple research and quick edits right from the Chrome tab you already have open. Instead of manually clicking through multiple records or digging for details, you can use the built-in prompt panel to get immediate answers and take action in just a few moments. To begin, look to the bottom right corner of your HubSpot Chrome tab and click the Breeze AI Sparkle icon. This opens the Breeze prompt panel, which gives you access to the Ask Breeze feature directly inside your workspace. Make sure you're in the correct HubSpot tab before you start so the tool can reference the context you're currently working in. Once the panel is open, click into the Ask Breeze input box and type your business question in plain text. Keep your question simple and direct so the response is easier to understand. For example, you might ask for a summary of a record or for an analysis related to the information HubSpot is already displaying. Using natural language is usually the best approach here, since the tool is designed to interpret straightforward requests. After you submit your question, review the response that appears on the screen. Breeze AI will instantly generate either a data analysis or a record summary, depending on what you asked. Take a moment to read through the result carefully so you can confirm that it matches your intent and reflects the information you need. This is especially useful when you want a quick overview without opening additional panels or switching to another page. If Breeze provides suggested quick action buttons, you can select one of those to update or edit the referenced CRM property. This makes it easier to move from insight to action without interrupting your workflow. Before confirming any change, it's a good idea to double check that you're modifying the correct property, especially if you're working quickly across multiple records. When your question has been answered and you're finished using the panel, dismiss the prompt window to clear your main viewport. Closing it helps return your focus to the rest of your HubSpot workspace and keeps the screen uncluttered for your next task. That's how to use Breeze AI in HubSpot to ask questions, review instant summaries, and make quick CRM updates more efficiently.